Hello, this is a quick description and usage overview for the iPAN model SPI601P600 plug load occupancy power strip with infrared motion sensor. This power strip also provides surge suppression and filtering capabilities for devices connected to it. So let's go ahead and go in with the quick description. Of course, this is the power cord that you use to connect the unit to power, the infrared power sensor itself, several outlets and indicators. So this indicator here indicates a protected status for the filtering and surge suppression capabilities. This indicator is a grounded indicator and indicates when the ground for this power cord is connected properly. And in fact, you should always use a properly grounded outlet, not only to protect your equipment, but to provide safety for yourself. There is a master outlet that provides power when the infrared power sensor senses someone is in the room, and energy saver outlets. These outlets are provided power when the infrared sensor has detected a presence, as well as when a device connected to the master outlet is actually drawing current. So a typical connection diagram would look something like this, with the computer or your main item that requires power all of the time going to the always-on outlet, the master outlet being connected to a monitor or something else that would be occasionally switched on and off, but would also require your presence in the room, and then peripherals or other items connected to these power controlled outlets, so that when the power sensor does not detect your presence, the power to the master outlet is off, and subsequently all of these outlets will not have power either. So let's go ahead and go on with a quick demonstration. I'm going to go ahead and plug this unit in right now. So you'll always see immediately the always-on indicator, the protected indicator, and the grounded indicators come on immediately. And in fact, you'll see there is power to the always-on outlet available immediately after plugging it in. Now the master outlet will sense motion, and as I've been moving around, the infrared sensor has sensed motion and provided current to this outlet as well. So to give you a quick demonstration that there's actually current here, I'll plug this device in. So the energy saver outlets do need a specific amount of current flowing through the master outlet in order for the energy saver outlets to be active. So right now I've plugged in another device, and I'll turn it on in a moment. And I'll plug this device back in here to show you when power is available and when it isn't. So for example, if you were to turn on a monitor, the master outlet would sense the current flow and turn out power on to all of your other peripherals connected to these outlets. Now the moment that you turned the power to the monitor off, or in a second or so, you'll see the energy saver outlets power also have power removed from them. So you can think of this as when you have stopped moving your mouse and your monitor has had the screen blanked by the main computer. So the monitor would stop drawing enough current to be classified as actively on, and the energy saver outlets would have their power removed. So you wouldn't need to power up other things such as printers or modems if you wanted to keep your DSL modem off while you're away, or your cable modem off while you're away, or other things that you didn't want power to be wasted on. Of course, the only thing that should have been connected to the always-on outlet is your computer or other things that you deemed as always needing power all of the time. As an alternate, you could actually connect your computer to the master outlet so that your computer receives power only when you're sitting there, and then connect your monitor or your other peripherals to the energy saver outlet. But the provided diagram from the manufacturer indicates this is the typical connection diagram. Your usage of the iPAN power strip might vary according to your own individual needs. So that is the end of this demonstration. I hope you've found it useful. And if you need more information, please go to the iPAN website out on the public internet. Thank you.